When I started out at Michigan about a decade ago, we set out to solve one of the most challenging problems in minimally invasive surgery.
When I was trained first in surgery, the only tools we had were tools that looked like this. These are tools that look like anything really out of your toolbox or at your home, and it required us to make big incisions in patients. A big advance came really early in my career was the advancement into minimally invasive surgery, where small ports were placed through patients and small incisions were made, and what that required was for the tools to be long.
One of the fundamental challenges in existing instruments is that it has no dexterity. So it's a tool shaft, a handle, and jaws that open and close. That's remained the paradigm.
In 1999, the surgical robot called Da Vinci came to market. And this does move like the surgeon's wrist, but it takes a $2.5 million robot on the back end to drive it.
What this does is bring robotic-like functionality to every OR, every day, any hour of the day.